Okay. So paper pattern assessment 1 marks 40, duration 1 hour. Okay. Now paper pattern will be question number 1 will be 3 marks. Question number 2 will be 3 marks. Question number 3 will be 3 marks. Question number 4 will be 3 marks. Question number 5 will be 3 marks. Question number 6 will be 3 marks. Question number 7 will be 3 marks. Question number 8 will be 3 marks. So there will be 8 question of 3 marks. There will be 8 question of 3 marks. Okay. Yes. Then 4 question. There will be 4 question. Question number 9 will be 4 marks. Question number 10 will be 4 marks. Question number 11 will be 4 marks. And question number 12 will be 4 marks. Okay. So see this pattern. In this 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 questions are there. So 4 question, there will be 4 question. There will be 4 question. 4 question. Okay. There will be 4 question from rational and irrational number. Rational 4 question, wait 1 minute. 4 question 3 marks. From rational and irrational number. Rational and irrational number. 4 question from 3 marks, rational irrational number. Then 4 question of 3 marks will be from expansion. Okay, expansion. Then there will be 2 question of 4 marks from rational and irrational number. Rational and irrational number. Rational and irrational number. And there will be 2 question of 4 marks from expansion. Okay, so now I think paper is very much clear. So equal weightage is given to both papers. Yes. Okay, so I think it is clear now, paper pattern. There is no difficulty in that. Total there will be 12 questions. First 8 questions, 3 marks. Last 4 questions, 4 marks. Then this examination, MCQ form. All questions will be in multiple choice question. 4 options will be given. You have to tick the correct answer. Then if there are 12 questions, for each question you will get maximum 5 minutes. And 5 minutes is sufficient. You can complete the question in 3 to 4 minutes. Then 1 minute I have given you for taking the appropriate answer. Okay. So we have set this paper in just like the board paper of 9th standard and 10th standard, because next year you are going in 10th. So I cannot ask you fill in the blank. I cannot ask you true or false. Okay. MCQ, all 12, all questions are in MCQ. But it is just the MCQ, my dear. You have to solve the problem. Without solving the problem, you cannot pick the answer. That is the guarantee. So one question. Yes, that is what I am telling, my dear. See, whenever you are appearing MCQ question, you do not focus on your handwriting. You can skip few steps and get the answer. We are interested in the correct answer. So it is not necessary that you should write everything systematically or very much neatly and tightly. We are not interested in that workout. We are interested in the option, clicking the correct answer. So that you take care. Okay, so your speed should be fast. You should be accurate. Then only you will get the answer. Suppose one question you are confused. Whichever question you know thoroughly, first go for attempting those questions. Whichever question you are little bit confused, don't go to attempt that question directly. Otherwise, if you miss that, For one question, if you will take 10 minutes, then definitely that duration will affect other question. Okay? Yes? So how you are seeing the serial? Before starting the serial, they give the recap that no animal is harmed in this serial, nothing is there, all are fictitious characters, it has nothing to hurt the sentiment of others. The same thing I am giving you. One question 5 minutes. One question 5 minutes. If you take more than 5 minutes, then definitely that will affect your next question. So once you see the paper, you go for solving those questions which you know thoroughly. In that sequence, don't go by the order. Whichever question you know thoroughly, go attempting that. And numbers I have changed. Numbers I have changed. Whatever number is given in the textbook, in question paper I have given the different number. So you have to work out. By seeing that question, you will see the answer behind and write the answer. Definitely it will come wrong. Yes? Formula means what I mean to say, you have to simplify, my dear. The same question will be given in the textbook, but some number I have changed. Numbers are changed. If numbers are changed, if you take that answer of the textbook, definitely it will become wrong. So each and every question, be careful that numbers are changed. Numbers are changed. So let us solve few more questions. Okay, let us revise. One thing I can assure you, if you do it systematically, revise whatever we have done, mute the microphone, somebody's echo is there, then definitely you can get full marks. All of you can get full marks, but only the thing is, you have to work out. Chalo, first question. If root 2 is, if root 2 if root 2 is 1.4, root 2 is 1.4 and root 3 is 1.7, then the value of 1 upon 3 plus 2 root 2, 1 upon 3 plus 2 root 2 is option A 0.1, B 0.2, C 0.3 and D is 0.4. So another thing is there. If you go for looking at the formula in the textbook, you will start searching the content in the textbook. That will also waste your time and you will not be able to complete. If you will try to make use of the textbook, definitely you will waste your time. So you should be thorough. You have to revise everything. Okay. Then if M is 1 minute, we'll discuss. M is 1 upon 3 minus 2 root 2 and N is 1 upon 3 plus 2 root 2, then the value of Mn is the value of Mn. Mn means M into N is A 1, B minus 1, C is 2, D is minus 2. Work out. Chalo. Let me first give all the problem, then we'll see. Then third one, evaluate 0.6 into 0.6 into 0.6 plus 0.4 into 0.4 into 0.4 upon 0.6 into 0.6 minus 0.6 into 0.4 plus 0.4 into 0.4. The answer is 0.1. B. Answer is 1. C. Answer is 1 point. 0.2. B is 0.3. Let me first write fourth question, then we will discuss. Okay. Fourth one. The sum of, if the sum of two numbers, if the sum of two numbers, if the sum of two numbers is 5, and the sum of their cube, and the sum of their cube, and the sum of their cubes is, if the sum of two numbers I start from this. Blur. If the sum of two number is 7, sum of two number is 7, and sum of their cube is 133, find the sum of their squares. Find the sum of their squares. Find the sum of their squares. And the options are A, options are A, is 19, B 29, C 39, D 49. If the sum of two number is 7 and sum of their cube is 133, find the sum of their squares. So let us discuss. Chalo. हाँ 0.2, because when you will rationalize this denominator, that will be 3 minus 2 root 2 upon 9 minus 8. 3 square is 9, minus 2 root 2 square is 8, 9 minus 8 is 1. Then 3 minus 2 into root 2 is 1.4. So 3 minus 0. What is that? 3 minus 2.8, 0.2. 1 will come, my dear. 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2 into 3 minus 2 root 2, no? So A plus B into A minus B, that will be 3 square minus 2 root 2 square. 3 square is 9, 2 root 2 square, 2 square is 4, 4 2s are 8, 9 minus 8 is 1. Denominator comes 1, no? Yes? So all of you are, just now somebody said, 1 is coming, no? B is the correct answer, my dear. 0.2. See this, I have done the calculation. See this, 3 minus 2 root 2. Second answer, how you have done that? Okay, you can directly find. You can directly find also in this. This is over. My dear, there is nothing to rationalize here. If it is m square plus n square, then we can rationalize. But it is simply add what is the value of mn. Okay? So what is mn? Mute the microphone, somebody's phone is on. 1 upon 3 minus 2 root 2. What is n? 1 upon 3 plus 2 root 2. Okay. So that is 1 upon a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b. So that is 3 square minus 2 root 2 square. That is 1 upon not minus 1. 9 minus 8. That is 1 upon 1. 1 upon 1 is 1. Answer is 1. Or you can rationalize denominator of each one and simplify. No problem. Okay. This is multiplication of two rational number. No. So multiply numerator to numerator, multiply denominator to denominator. That's all. So what is the answer of A? What is the answer of this? Mn is 1. Third answer. Which formula you have applied? A into A into A cube plus B into B into B cube upon A square minus AB plus B square. A cube plus B cube is A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. Denominator you have A square minus AB plus B square. That gets cancelled. What is left? A plus B. A is 0.6, 0.4, 1. 1.0, that is 1. So B is the correct answer. B. Now do. Yes? 29. Let me check it. 20. Okay. Let us other also calculate. Two students. Satish Patel is 29. Then another student, what is your name? Tanvi Patel. Tanvi Patel. Okay. What answer you got? 29. Okay. Ashwin Rana 29. What about other student? 29 came the answer. Let me discuss. Sum of two number is 7, means x plus y is 7. Sum of two number is 7, correct? So x plus y is 7, correct? Then sum of their cube, x cube plus y cube is 133. So use the formula x plus y whole cube. X plus y whole cube is, what is x cube plus y cube is x plus y whole cube minus 3xy into bracket x plus y. This formula you will use. X cube plus y cube is 133. X plus y is 7 cube. 3xy into 7. So 133 into 343 minus 21xy. 21xy is 343 minus 133. 3 minus 3 is 0. 4 minus 3 1. 210. So xy is 10. Xy is 10. Okay. Find sum of their square. So I will consider x plus y whole square. That is x square plus y square plus 2xy. X plus y is given 7. 7 square. X square plus y square plus 2 into 10. So 49 minus 20. 49 minus 20 is equal to x square plus y square. So 29 is equal to x square plus y square. So sum of their square is 29. 29 is the absolutely correct answer. Okay. So we log the answer 29. Okay. So 29 is the correct answer. So revise all these formulas, because during examination, if you will go for searching the pages on which page solution is there, you will waste your time. Now next is fifth one. Evaluate 3 root 2. Evaluate 3 root 2. Evaluate 3 root 2 minus. Evaluate 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 upon 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 upon root 3 minus root 2. The answer is A 11, B 22, C 33, D 44. Start. We want the answer. Okay. Then sixth one, a square minus 5a square minus 5a minus 1 equal to 0 and a is not equal to 0, then the value of find a square plus 1 upon a square. Find a square plus 1 upon a square. Do it fast. Find a square plus 1 upon a square. Huh? Huh? Okay. Find out sixth. Sorry. Find out sixth. Find out sixth. Okay. Option A 25, B 26, C 27, D 28. Do it. Let me write two more problems, then we will discuss the solution. A square, seventh one, if a square huh? 27. चलो ठीक है, we'll see. हाँ 7. If a square minus 3a, हाँ a square minus 3a plus 1 equal to 0 and a is not equal to 0, find a square plus 1 upon a square. A square plus 1 upon a square. Option A is 6, B is 7, C is minus 6, D is minus 7. Work out, then only give the answer. Solve it. Huh. Now use property to evaluate. Use property to evaluate. Huh. We will see. 5q plus 2q plus minus 3q. Use property to evaluate. Answer A is 90, B is 80, C is minus 90, D is minus 80. हाँ, चलो let us discuss one by one. No. Use property means which property? Yes. Yes. चलो. Let us make it minus 70. Okay. Then so this is 180 minus 180 minus 210 plus 210. What is that property? If A plus B plus C is 0, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube is 3ABC. That is the property. Okay. A plus B plus C is 0, then A. Okay. So let us discuss first answer. What is the answer of fifth? Yes. 11. Okay. When you will rationalize this, 3 minus 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3, this will be 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 square. 1 minute. So that will be 9 2s are 18 minus 3 2s are 6, 2s are 12, 12 root 6. Okay. Plus 12 upon 9 2s are 18, 18 minus 12, 6. And what about this side? 2 root 3 into root 3, 6 minus 2 root 6, 2 root 6 upon 1. How plus, my dear? Okay, yes, plus. Upon 1. Now, this 18, 30 minus 12 root 6 upon 5, 6. Okay. So 6 5s are 30. Board is clear. So that is 2 root 6. Okay. So minus 2 root 6 get cancelled with plus 2 root 6. What is left? 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. So 11 is the correct answer. Yes. So let us log the answer 11. What about next? 27. How many are getting 27? Okay. Tanvi Patel 27, Satish Patel. What is your name? Tell me name first. 27. Okay. Ashwin Rana. So let us see whether it is 27 or not. So let us discuss. You will get divide each by A. So you will get A minus 5 minus 1 upon A. A minus 5 minus 1 upon A. Yes. You will get A minus 5. Divide each term by A. So A minus 5 minus 1 upon A is equal to 0. So you will get A minus 1 upon A is 5. Then you will consider A minus 1 upon A whole square. That is A square plus 1 upon A square minus 2. A minus 1 upon A is 5. 5 square is 25. 25 plus 2 is 27. So 27 is the correct option. Yes. Okay. Go for next. Third one. Same thing. 7. Let us see. A square minus 3A plus 1, you will get A plus 1 upon A is 3. Then you will consider A plus 1 upon A whole square, that is 3 square is 9, is equal to A square plus 1 upon A square plus 2. 2 will go on that side, 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay. So see how I have done the calculation. In the same way you do that. So you save your time. So B is 7. You can do it entirely, no problem. Because few steps you will miss. Use the property. Now, minus 200. Now first First you check whether a plus b plus c is 0. 5 plus 2 7, 7 minus 7 0. So a plus b plus c is 0. If a plus b plus c is 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is 3 times a b c. So 3 times a 5, b 2, c minus 7. 3 5s are 15, 2s are 30, 37s are 210. Minus 210 is the correct answer. Minus 210. Okay. So 3 minutes are there. Let me give one more problem. So you have to do the calculation correctly. And examination, you should not feel any nervousness. Nervousness will not come if you have revised thoroughly. If you say that I will MCQ type, my dear, MCQ type. If a square plus b square, which question 9? A square plus b square is 34 and AB is a square plus b square is 34 and AB is 12. Find 5 times a minus b whole square plus 3 times a plus b whole square. The options are 114, B 224, C 234, D 244. Yes, get the answer. Time is there. Get the answer. Get the answer. A plus b and a minus b. A minus b. A minus b square. 34 and AB is what is given? AB. AB is 12. AB is 12. 34 minus 24. This is 10. Then a plus b whole square. A square plus b square 34 plus 24. That is 58. So 5 into a minus b whole square. 5 into 10, 50. 5 into 10 plus 3 into a minus a plus b whole square, 58. So that is 50 plus 174. 4, 224 is the answer. So what is the answer? Correct answer? 224. Yes. So now it is 9:41. We stop here. See you in the last period, 6th period. And that will be the last period for revision. Okay. Bye. Now we stop. Bye.